Learning started. Okay. So, dear students, in the previous lectures, we were in chapter number 3. The chapter name is Equations, Inequalities, and Function. I told you what is equation. Basically, equation is something which represent the expression which tell us the two things are equal. Equation basically tell us that two things are equal, like 2 equals 2, 4 equals 2, 4 equals 2. Okay, equation tell us the how the two expression are equal. Basically, expression mean like this is the expression. Oh, sorry. Expression mean like this is the expression, okay, and this will be equal to x plus 2, okay. So equation tell us that these expression are equal. So this is the meaning of equation basically. Then we talked about inequalities. Basically, inequalities are just like same as equations, but the signs are same. Like for example, this is the expression, and this expression is greater than 4. Inequality tell us the relation between the two expressions, okay. 4 is the expression and x plus 2 is the expression. This is the inequality basically. This sign indicates that this is basically greater than sign, okay, greater than. This tell us the x plus 2 is greater than the 4. So this is the equation, and we talk about inequalities. Okay, this is the inequalities, and we talked about the functions basically. Okay, and I told you that function is basically a transformer. We put the input here, and function gives us the output, and output is basically something new. Okay, so Naid, okay, Naid, no problem. Your internet connection is slow, but I also recording the lecture for you, and from now I will upload the all the previous lecture and this lecture on my YouTube channel also. You can also watch this lecture from there. Okay, so Naid, please be attentive in the further class. So please, dear students, we were in the equations, and we were solving some problems. In the lecture number 21, I also solved some example for you, and in this session we will also be solving some examples. Okay, so please read the question carefully. The question is, Salvia scored 10 points better than the Ville. Okay, basically. So S for Salvia, basically. Okay, S for Salvia. I am writing the S for Salvia. The score 10 points better than the Ville. Okay, S score 10 times better than the Ville. Okay, Grej score 6 points less than the Ville. Okay, G for Grej and scored 6 points less than the Ville. Altogether, the students earned 26 points. Okay, these are basically total points. How many total points are there? Total scores or total points. What you write, no problem. What you assume, no problem, but I will write just total. Okay, total are 226, 226. Okay, so please, dear students, let me write one thing again. Okay, so basically the thing is Ville. Silvia scored are 10 points better than the Ville, means Sevilla scored. This is the score of Sevilla, and this is plus 10 time greater than. Plus 10 is equal plus 10 time better than the Ville. Okay, like let me, sorry, I will write like this. Okay, so what is the Ville score? This is the Ville score, and this is the Selva score. Okay, please read the question again. Selvia score 10 times better than the Ville. Like Salivia score 10 times better than the Salivia will be equal to Ville plus 10. Okay, because the Salivia scores 10 times better than. Okay, basically 10 points better than. Okay, yes, score 10 times better than the Ville. Okay, good. So Salivia scored 10 times better than 10 points basically. Salivia have 10 points greater than the Ville. Yes, exactly. So like for example, let me say that the Ville scored X. Okay, the Ville scored is X, and the when what will be the score for Saliva? Saliva score will be 10, X plus 10. Okay, for example, Ville score is 10. For example, Ville score is 20. Then Salivia score will be 30. Okay, this is the very thing. Now please compare the Jerj. Jerj scored 6 points less than the Ville. Okay, basically Jerj scored 6 points less than the Ville, like this. Okay, so basically I will write the okay, then let me bring down this question here. Like, yeah, put down the question here, and now please the question. Jet scored 6 points less than the village. What is the village score? Basically, village score is this, and the jet score is 6 times less than the village, like x minus 6. Okay, X is for Ville, okay, Ville score. And Jet score is 6 times less than the Ville, okay. This is the very important point. So what I get basically, I get the three things. I get the W Ville score is X, okay, Sylvia score is X plus 10, and uh, the Jet score is X minus 6. Okay, please, again, I am writing very important point. This is a very important thing. Please note carefully. Now, what is the sum of total? Okay, please note the point. Okay, what is the sum of total? He says in the question that sorry, all combined together is the all combined together earn 2 to 6 points. So please plus all the things. Okay, plus all the things like Village score is X, and Salivia score is X plus 10. Okay, and the Jar score is X minus 6. Okay, please, is equal to 226. Then again, please now what is this basically? This is the basically expression. This is the algebraic expression, and now we can easily solve this. This is the equation, and how to solve the equation we learned this in the our previous classes basically. Okay, then this is a very easy task. Okay, just plus the where is X, this is X, this is X, this is X. So please plus the variable with the same coefficients. I will get the 3x. Okay, yes, 3x, and plus 10 minus 6 is equal to 2 to 6. Just find the x first. Okay, how will I okay, let me write the plus clearly, then suppose you will understand. 3x plus 4 is equals to 2 to 3 6, and what will be the x base? 3x will be is equal to again 2 to 6 minus 4, and x will be basically I will get the x is equal to 2 to 6 minus 4 to 2 divided by 3. Now this is basically your x, and then you can also simplify this by just dividing the x. Okay, it's an easy task basically. Let me put down the question here. Okay, and this question now here. So this is your answer, but let me check what is asking. How many points did Salivia earn? No, please. No, please. Just focus on the Salivia. What is S basically? S is basically S. This is S, okay? X plus 10. S is a X plus 10. And what is S is equal to? S is 2 to 3, 2 to 3, 2 to divide by 3, and plus 10. Now this will be the Salivia 4. Let me check the, okay, now this is like, we will do the division, okay? Now please tell me the answer, dear students. What is the answer for this? What is the score of Salivia? Please calculate and tell me.
Teacher, I calculated, and actually 222 divided by 3 will equal 74. That plus 10, it will be
Okay, 84. Yes,
84.
very good. Yes. And it will be 80. Now it will be like 84. Okay. So please go to the answer, and 84 will be there. 84. Yes, 84 is here, and this will be your answer. Now please start the another question. It's also a very easy question. Today I am going. My speed is fast because I assume the student will understand the basic things, okay, and fundamental things. So therefore, I am moving the my speed is a little bit faster. Let me put down the question here. Please read the question carefully. Okay. The question is the uh, two adults and four children. Okay, let me make the question bigger for you. Okay, and then you will understand better. Uh, Two adults and four children paid 48 to get into fair. Two adults. Okay, how many adults are there? Basically, two A's are there. Okay, and four children, four C's are there. Paid $48 to get into the fair. Okay, how many total they paid? They basically total is 48. Okay, a child's ticket is $6 less than the adult ticket basically. Okay, now what is the meaning that the basically child ticket is six less than, okay, like this, six less than the adult ticket. This is the meaning of this. Okay, who is the joint? Yes, now the child ticket is six less than the adult ticket. This is the meaning of this. Okay, now, so one thing is make the equation. What is the okay, sorry, the child ticket is six less than the adult ticket. This is the adult ticket A. What is the cost of an adult ticket basically? Okay, so please let me write the again answer. uh Please, first of all, please decide the adult ticket basically. What is the adult ticket price? Adult ticket price is X. Let's assume the X. Okay, ticket price we'll assume that we will assume the ticket price X, and then we will go further. Okay, please note the answer, and then so what will be the basically child ticket price? Child's ticket price. Child's ticket will be price will be basically six less than this. Six less than this. Then how can we write the equation? This will be like x minus six. Okay, six less than this, which is x. Okay, six less than this. This is child. Now, okay, this is the price of adult ticket. This is the price of child ticket. How many child are there? Okay, uh, there are four child and two adults. Yes. Okay. So please again, there are two adults and four childs. Four childs will buy how many tickets? Four tickets, and like I will write two tickets, and I will write four tickets. They will get the total of the how there are total of like four child will get four tickets and two adult will buy two tickets. Okay. Now total how many total are the pays are there? 46 is the total. 46 is the total. Now please sum all the tickets. Okay, sum all the ticket prices. Okay, like for example two adult tickets, and what is the price of one adult ticket? It is x. Okay, yes, very good. And four is the child ticket, and what is the price of one child ticket? It is x minus six. Just put the x minus six, and how many total pay are paid? 46 rupee, $46 are paid. $46 are paid. So please this is now again very easy equation and very easy expression. You can solve the equation and you will get the answer like this: 2x plus 4x minus 4 multiplied by 6 is what? 24 is equal to 46. Now please this 6x and 46 minus 24 will be this implies 46 minus 24. Let me write there, and I will get the 2 to this 22. 6x is equal to 22, and I will get the x is equal to 22 by 6. Okay, 4 is there.
Teacher,
Hmm. Yes,
sorry for interruption.
let me.
But because you move 24 to the other side, it will be added, not
Yes, yes, very
subtracted.
good, very good.
So we
Yes,
will
I
have,
am also
yeah.
okay, very good. So please add the 24 and then okay. This is basically let me grab this one also. Okay, 4 plus 6 is 10. One will be carry, and 4 plus 1 5, and plus 2 will be 7. It's be 70. Okay, I will get the 70 here, and mm, okay, 6x is equals to 70. Okay, and I will get the 70 multiplied by 6 divided by 6. Now please divide this with the 2, and I want to show you the division methodology. Okay, how can we do that? Basically it is 70 and it is 6. Please divide this by 2 basically. Okay, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, and 1 is remaining. 1 will go this side and it will become 10. Okay, now what this will be 10. Okay, I'm writing with a small pen. Now basically 3 5s are 3 multiple. Okay, sorry, 3. Okay, it is point basically. So it should not become in point because we are doing something wrong. Please note what we are doing wrong because it should not be wrong. All the answer are all the answer are in the whole number, not in the decimal number. So there should be something.
Teacher,
Yes.
I
Okay.
identify the problem.
Yes, 48 tickets basically there.
You wrote for the 6, but it is for the
Okay.
8.
Yes, 48 tickets. Yes, very good. So these are 48 tickets, and let me write the 48 here. Okay. So technically there are 48, 48, and I'll write the 48 here also. Okay. So 48 plus 24 is basically I will get the 72. Okay. Uh, please write the 72 here, and we will get the 72. I will get the 72 divided by 6, and now please divide that by 2 again. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. One will be go one like it will become 12. Okay, one from this side from this number will go toward this number, and I will get the 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Okay, now what I am getting the I am getting I am getting the 34 divided by 3, and let me plus again. I'm 3 multiply 1 is 3, and again now it's not correct. Again we are doing something wrong. Okay, because uh, it should be like not in points. The answer should be whole number. Okay, let me check the error. Where is basically error we are doing?
Teacher, 72 is divisible by 6. So we can write it like 12.
Okay, okay, very good. This 12, okay. Yes, yes, very good. Basically, how can we do that? 72 divided by 6 is, let me write 72 divided by 6, okay. Uh, like 6 multiplied by 1, 6, and 6 multiplied by 1 is 6, and 1 will be carried to there, it will become 12. And now 6 2s are 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So we will get the 12 answer, okay. And I will write the 12. So what is the basic answer? It is 12, okay. And now please go to the another question and read the another question very carefully. Let me move this question downward. So the this will be made. I will move this one question downward also. Basically, this is a very important question for the GD exam. Okay, therefore I am focusing on this question. Basically, please, dear student, also focus on this question. These are theoretical questions, and these are real life questions. So these they will come in the GD exam. Okay, they mostly come in the GD exams. So let me read the question. This is also, let's move to the next page. Okay, now, okay, this is the question. Okay, Gorge spend 4 times as much. Okay, Gore spend 4 times as much time helping customer. 4 times, okay. So it is basically G spends 4 times as much, okay. Basically 4 times mean these things, okay. If the word times comes, okay, let me write the red pen. The times means multiplication. This side, okay, multiplication. If the word whenever and wherever you see the word of times, time will always means to the refer to the multiplication, okay. Like the number will be multiplied with the another number. This is the meaning of time, okay. So don't be confused with the time. Now Joe G spent 4 times as much time helping customer as he does stocking sleeves, okay. Last week he spent 35 hours on the two tasks, okay. How many hours were spent helping customers? Very good, okay. So basically this is a George. Let me write here the George G. G do two tasks. Two tasks or two works. Two tasks. How many tasks are there? Number one task is the helping customers. Helping customers. He helped the customers. Okay. He is basically an employee. He's basically an employee in any of the store or anywhere or any in the he doing the job. Okay. The company. And second of his task is the uh okay stocking. Stocking. Okay. Second task is the stocking. There are two tasks he do. So basically, okay. Please read the question again. George spent 4 times as much time helping customers as he is stocking as he does stocking slaves. Now, please, dear student, the question is basically the question means that if George spends if George spend x times hour if George spend x hours in stocking, okay, then George will help 4 times greater hours in the helping customers. This is a very important. Please note the focus on this point. Okay, if G spend X hours in the stocking, then the G will cover like 4 times more hours. 4 times more hours in the helping customers. Okay, this is a very important point. So please, again, he spent 35 hours on two tasks. Okay, now this is the total. Again, the total time is given. Please, the total time is very important, and the total quantity is very important always. Okay, because it will give you the equation. Total is equal to 35. Now, please let me write the equation. Uh, Basically, two tasks. Number one task is the helping others. So let me write the equation directly, and let me write something in a very good way. Okay, like I will write like this, okay, 4 multiplied by x, this is the way. Okay, now basically how many work total hours of George work of George work is how many basically 40. Okay, let me check the hours. 35. The hours are 35. uh, 35, okay. Now, what is the work basically? The work, okay, first work is the 4x. Okay, first one is the 4x plus the stocking is the x. 4x is the what? 4x is spent. 4x are those hours which are spent in the helping customer, and x are those hours. Let me write here. Customers. These are basically customers hours and customers. Okay, customers, and uh, and the x is the stocking. These hours are spent in the stocking. Stock, stocking. Okay, a stock or stocking one thing. This will be equal to 35, and now we got the equation. Again, very easy equation. We will be this will be like a plus 5x. This will be like 35, and I will get the x is equal to how will I divide 5 on both side. Divide 5 on both side, and we will get the 5 multiplied by 7 is 35 basically. Now I will get the 7 as the answer. Okay. Let me check the speaker. Is it on? Yes, speaker is that. And let's check the 7 is here. Yes, you will just write the answer is equal to 7 is equal to answer is equal to 7. Yes, this is the answer.
Teacher,
Mm, yes.
but the question asks for the hours that he spent helping customers, so we should
Okay, very good.
multiply
Yes, yes,
7 by
very good,
4.
very good, very good, excellent. And you will just basically, it's a very easy question, and Atifa Jan also attend this question. So you basically the question is the how many hours were spent helping customer basically. I told you before that the helping customer he spent the 4x basically. Okay, this is 4x, and we will just multiply 4 with the x. Okay, we will just multiply 4 with the x. What is x? We will this is 7, and answer will be let me write here the 4 multiplied by 7 is what? 4 multiplied by 7 is 28. Okay, this 28. So this is your answer basically, and this is the helping hours of customer. Helping hours for the customer. This is the answer. Now let's move to the another question. Very easy. Also easy. This is another question is also very easy, and all these questions basically are easy, and these are just simple algebra and simple equation methodology to solve. I told you before in the previous classes also, and those classes also. Please just listen carefully, and you will understand the questions. Okay. I will also draw the line of the question for it. The question ends. Okay. And now please read the question again. In a month, Andrew spend twice. In a month, okay. Andrew means A. I will just call Andrew A. Okay. I cannot call their names. Okay. They are very difficult to call basically. So Andrew A spent twice as much on rent as he does on food for his family. Okay. Last month he spent. Okay. Very good. Again, total is given. Okay, please let me show you how is it total. Let me show you how is it total basically. He spent 16 $50 on rent and food basically. What is written here? And means plus sign. Okay, let me write with red pen again. The and mean in in mathematics and every in mathematics in the whole science in mathematics. Okay, and in science. Okay, in science and mathematics or in whole in mathematics in math and and means means are refer to the means the plus sign. Okay, means plus. This is a very important thing. Okay, please listen to it very clearly. Like the question is telling that that there are the total rupees are spent. The total rupees he spent are 1650 1650 rupees. These are the total. I will write the total. Okay, total. Okay, so please listen carefully again, and I will just write this hand. Okay, now let me. Okay, the entry. This is A, and he spent on rent as he does on food for his family. He spent twice as much as. Again, this is twice. Twice means two times greater than. Twice mean two cross. Okay, A. Let me write here. The A spend rupees. A spend money on food. How many money on food? Let me write here X. Okay. Then I will write the A spends money money on what? On rent. On rent, okay, it will be basically 2x. Yes, this is a very important thing in the question. This is the then the question is solved basically. This is a very, again we will just sum up those things and we will get our answer. These are the just simple question, and you the main thing, you have to build the equation. And if you build the equation, then you can solve easily this equation, because these are just simple algebraic summation and multiplication. And you will just easily, you can just easily solve this question, okay. And let me completely solve the question, and I will sum up those things. Like yeah, the money for food is x. Let me write here food. This is for food, and 2x is for rent. Okay, 2x is for rent. Okay, let me write here rent. This is for rent. Now rent plus food is how many he spent basically. He spent this is given his question. 1650 basically the rupees he spent on the money plus food plus rent, okay. So how will you write 3x is equal to 1650, and divide 3 on both sides? How will you get? Okay, what's the student, I want to tell you basically about this sign. What is the meaning of this sign? I always write in my question. Basically this sign means that the implies that in English. This means that implies that this is not the sign of equality. This is not the sign of equality basically. In mathematics, if you write the question on the same line, like this is the line is going, this is the one line from here to here, this is one line, and this line is throughout this, from this point to this line is a line. So I write this equation, and I want to simplify this again more, okay. Then if I want to go in the same line, then I will write this sign. Okay, this is the equation basically, and this equation implies this equation. This is the meaning of this sign. This sign does not mean equality. It's okay. You don't have to write in the GD exam. I'm just telling you for understanding. Okay. So this is the three here. Three will cancel, and 16. I will get the x is equal to. Let divide 1650 with 3. Okay. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, and again 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, and 1 will go there. It will become, this 5 will become 15. This 5 will become 15, and again 3 multiplied by 5 will be 15, and the 0 will be opened. So I will get the 550 as an x. This is basically I got the x. Now I will move to the question. How much did he spend on the rent? Okay, what is the rent basically? Rent is basically 2x. Okay, now please multiply the rent will be basically is equals to 2x. And what is the x? X is basically 550, and I will multiply 550 multiplied by 2, and you will get the answer. What will be the answer? Tell me. It will be like 1100. Okay, this will be your answer. Okay, and this is your the simple question. Now just quickly move to the another question, and let me put down this question. Okay. Put down this question here, and I'll bring this question to the other page. Okay, please then I want to read the question by a student. Okay, we have even numbers. Even number are basically those number which can be divided by 2. For example, like 4 is a even number, it can be divided by 2. How can be divided by 2? Like it can be fully divided by 2, not in decimal points. Okay, like this. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Now we got the 2. Now please the student tell me, is the 5 even number? But it can be divided by 2. Yes, it can be divided by 2. What should I get? I will get the 2.5 from this. But it can be divided by 2, yes. But that answer is not the whole number. Answer is in decimal. So this is not even. Not even because okay, I will write because there is a decimal. There should not be decimal. There should not be decimal. Okay, let me write it with the red pen. Yeah, because it's a very important point. There should not be decimal. Okay, there should not be decimal. Now please let's come to the question again. And the question is basically the sum of four consecutive even numbers is 212. What is the third number? Now just write the question again. Consecutive number means the number in continuous way, like 1, 2, 3, 4. These are consecutive numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. These come in the sequence basically. Okay, these are the consecutive number. Now the question is the consecutive numbers. Okay, consecutive numbers mean the increases like 1 plus 2. Okay, sorry, like 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. These are consecutive numbers. And why these are consecutive numbers? These are consecutive because 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is what? It is 3. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. These are consecutive. Similarly, I am assuming that okay, let me check the answer. Sorry, teacher, I speak, but I think you didn't hear. I don't heard my speaker broken. Okay, no problem, Shiba. Again, you can speak. Okay. So basically, let me suppose the x is the first even number, and x plus 2 will be the second even number. In even number, basically we add the x plus 2. We will add the plus 2, not plus 1. And x plus 4 is a another number. Okay, and x plus 6 will be the another number. Do you understand the thing or not? These are four consecutive even numbers. This is the number. I don't know what is the number. This is the number. This is the number. This is the number. Okay, and the total sum is the 212. This is basically total. Again, we are given with total. So basically, I will plus all of these. When we plus all of these, how will we plus all of these? Like this. We will plus all of these numbers. X plus 4 and oh sorry, plus these number, and you will get the equation, and then you will get the answer plus x plus 4, sorry, okay, x plus 4 plus x plus 6 is equals to 212. This is your answer. This is your equation. Okay, now please just simplify the equation, and you will get your answer. Okay, you will get your answer. Just simplify the equation. Just simplify the equation. Okay, this is the thing. And now please, how can you simplify the equation? How many x are there? X plus 1 plus x plus x plus x, 4x. 4. Okay, let me write it clearly. Please. 4x plus 2, this 2, okay, plus 4 plus 6, 2 1 2. Okay, again please plus all of those things. 2 plus 4 is what? Okay, please, let me wait this up this. 2 plus 4 is what? 6, and 6 plus 6 is 12. I got the 12 equals to 212, and again 4x will be equals to 212 minus 12. Okay, the sign will be changed basically. There is a plus sign, and if I shift this, it will become minus. It will become minus. Again, what will I get? I will get the 4x is equals to 200, and divide 4 on both sides. I will get the 4x divided by 4 equal to 200 divided by 4. Okay, this will cancel out, and I will get the x is equals to 50. X is equal to 50. Okay, and this is again a very easy question basically. I will also, I want to tell you this type of division also. How can we divide 200 by 4? How can we divide 200 by 4? This is also very important point I want to tell you. Okay, now this 4, and this is mm, just forget the 0 for some time. Like 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, and 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Just put the 0 upward, and you will get the 50. Now I will get the 50 as an answer. X is equal to 50. Okay, 50. This implies this equation implies x is equals to 50. Okay, this is your x. And now please let me check the question. What is basically about the question? The question is demanding what thing? Okay, now question is asking for the third number. So what is the third number basically? Shiba, what is the third number here in this sequence? Are you hearing my voice or not? Shiba Azad. Yes, you can also comment in the box. I am asking about the what is the third number here? This sequence in those number. This is the number. This is the number. This is the number. This is the number. So what is the third number here? The question is asking for the third number basically. Okay, I forgot to start the recording, and let me explain this question again. Question, but part of question. Okay, dear student, these are like numbers. This is the first number, this is the second number, this is the third number, and this is the fourth number basically. Okay, because we have to. These are consecutive numbers. Okay, and we don't know about these numbers, but we find the number first number, which is x. We know the first number x, which is 5, and then on the basis of this we can find another number also. Okay, so what is the first number? First number is x. Yes, we know. Second number is x plus 2. Third number is x plus 4, and fourth number is the x plus 6. So basically we want the third number, and how can we do this? We will just plus 5 with the 50, 4 with the 50, and we will get 54 as an answer. Just move to another question, and I want to read the question again. Adia, can you read the question?
This question, teacher,
Yes, please. Yes, this question.
okay. 3 added to the product of minus 4 and a number x is less than 5 added to the product of minus 3. And the number which of the following is the graph of the solution set of x, which is A, B, C, and D.
Okay, very good. And please let me. Okay. So the 3 added to the product of minus 4. Okay, and a number x. What is the number product of minus 4 and a product mean multiplication? Let me write here. Product means multiplication. Okay. Let me- Product mean multiplication. Multiplication. Okay. Product mean multiplication, and what is the number minus 4 multiplied by x? We know about the x. What is the number x? We will get the minus 4x. The question is us basically this thing. Minus 4 is multiplied with the x, and we don't know about the x. What is the number? Okay, for minus 4x. This is the meaning of product of minus 4 and a number x. I will get the formula. Minus 4x is this. Okay, is less than 5 added to the product of minus 3 and the number. Okay, again product of minus 3 and the number. Now just write the minus 3x. I will again what I will get the minus 3x. Which of which of the following graph is the solution set of x? Okay, okay, solution set of x. Basically, this is the question of the inequalities. Now we in with the inequalities, and I want to solve this question. First I want to little bit explain the inequalities for you. Okay, uh, okay. This question is basically not from equation. These are, let me write here with the red pen. Uh, this question is this question. This question. This question is not related to equation basically, because if you know if someone talk about the solution set is always applicable to the inequalities. Okay, not to equation. This question not belongs to not belongs to equations. Not belongs to equations, but but it is okay, but it's an inequality. But it's an equality. It's an inequality. An inequality. This is very important point. Okay, so this is the thing basically very important, and this is the basically inequality. Okay, so please let me explain the equality for you people, and I want to explain talk about the inequality in the next class. Okay, and for today we are going to the end of this class, and if some student have any question, then please ask from me. If you don't understand any point, then please ask to me, and this is from this point of inequalities we will start our tomorrow lecture. First of all, I want to talk about little bit about the inequalities, that what are inequalities, and how can we study these inequalities. Okay, and then we will solve some question on these. Then please tomorrow lecture, attend the tomorrow lecture. It is very important. Okay, and we will talk about those things.